The Faculty of Management Studies, better known as FMS, has been the proverbial jewel in Delhi University's crown for the last 75 odd years, and it has received an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. What makes FMS's MBA a top choice for students? Let's find out. Starting with the 4.8 star rated placements. During the placement batch of 2021-23, over 110 companies participated, making 283 offers, in which 108 were PPOs. The highest domestic salary stood at a staggering 1.23 crore per annum, while the average salary hovered around 34 lakh per annum. A look at the experience-wise packages reveal that FMS is an ideal destination for MBA aspirants with a 3-year plus WorkX. Taking a look at the summer internships placement report of the batch 2023-25, over 101 companies participated, making 304 offers. E-commerce, IT, operations domain led the way in stipends, followed by consulting and sales. Consulting and strategy saw the highest number of offers. The average stipend stood at 2.96 lakh. Top recruiters included prominent names such as Apollo, Asian Paints, and Perfetti for sales and marketing. Adobe, Amazon, Amex, and Qualcomm for e-com and IT. Citi, Axis, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and Morgan Stanley in finance. And Capgemini, BCG, Bain, and Accenture for consulting. A quick look at the year-on-year average salary trend reveals consistent improvement since 2021-22 cycle. Compared to IIT dorms, FMS median salary stands at 31 lakh per annum, which is a substantial 27% higher than what students are getting at IIT dorms. According to reviews, the college boasts of a 100% placement rate for its students. The top roles secured by graduates include positions such as banking investor and managing head. FMS Delhi offers courses in management including MBA, executive MBA, and doctoral programs. To be eligible for flagship MBA program, candidates must have achieved a minimum of 50% in graduation and a competitive score in CAT followed by a PI round. Taking a look at the CAT cutoffs, admissions at FMS are consistently challenging, with CAT cutoffs standing at 98. Comparing the CAT cutoffs of IIT DMS and FMS, the competition remains somewhat similar at both institutions. The total seat intake for MBA program is 251. The total tuition fees for MBA program can go up to 2 lakhs. Given that FMS offers one of the most economical MBA programs in the country, it has received the value for money rating of 4.9 stars by students. Shifting gears to the 3.6 star rated infrastructure. FMS is part of Delhi University's North Campus, which is located at Malkaganj, Delhi. The college features a library, computer and finance labs, a sports complex, and in-campus hostel facilities for MBA full-time students. As per reviews, classrooms are high-tech and equipped with Wi-Fi. The college provides various amenities including discussion rooms, Skype rooms, a seminar hall, a badminton court, and a sports room. There are no specific hostels exclusively for FMS students. However, students can apply for DU hostels which are located within the 1 kilometer radius of the FMS campus. Moving ahead to faculty and course curriculum segment, which is rated 4.4 stars by students. As per reviews, most of the faculty members at FMS are PhD holders with years of experience in their respective domain. They are known to be friendly and always ready to help students. The practical teaching methods enable students to acquire industry-ready skills. Teachers utilize case methodologies, providing students with real-world scenarios to analyze and learn from. Furthermore, the strong industry-alumni relationship of the college facilitates regular updates to its curriculum, ensuring alignment with current industry trends and requirements. FMS boasts of a global alumni network holding prestigious positions in leading corporations through events such as alumni meets and mentorship programs. These initiatives aim to strengthen alumni ties and support student career development. The college conducts the well-known Arthashastra Talk series that hosts over 100 business leaders and gives students an opportunity to learn and interact with them. In addition, the annual Business Conclave also contributes to the academic culture of the college. Shifting gears to the 4.3 star rated campus life. There are multiple academic clubs and associations at FMS that support students throughout their course duration, which includes consulting, finance, systems, marketing, and the HR and OB Society, along with the entrepreneurship cell. The Sports Society at FMS offers students various physical activities, from managing sports contingents to organizing sports fests. The Cultural Society at FMS includes clubs for music, literary, dance, photography, and film, showcasing their talent across various cultural domains. The college hosts its annual Management Fest. For more details on Faculty of Management Studies and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.